Hi guys, welcome back to Jenny's crypto class. So in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to start mining Byte Airdrop. Byte Airdrop is a new brand project just like Pi, and one good thing about this project is that they will soon launch their own blockchain. And rumor has it that one Byte is equivalent to 0.78 USDT. What are you waiting for? Start now that the project is still new and accumulate points. I will drop the link in the video description. And if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe, like and share. Also join my WhatsApp for more updates. An important update: I am currently buying and selling USDT on Solana plus all gas fee. If you want to do business with me, join my WhatsApp, send me message. I'm the admin there and I'll reply you. Now to mine this Byte airdrop, once you log in with, I'll drop the link. You will log in with the link. You have to register with an email. And once you register with your email, the interface will be like this. Look at what they say here. Install the app for easier access. Tap on these three dots in the right corner browser. That's this line, these three dots. Then scroll down and select add to home screen. Look at it here. If you tap it, you now see add to host screen. Tap on add to host screen. Here we have two ways you can do that. You can either install the app or you create a shortcut, but they said we should create a shortcut, but it's preferably to download the app. Then they said open Byte blockchain from your home screen and mine Byte. I've already have the app, so I'll click on I already installed the app. So this is the Byte, and my mining rate right here is 1.99 bytes. And good thing about this is just like Pi, you mine every 24 hours. So you click on mine here. Is mining for you. So what you are going to do right away is to follow them on Telegram blockchain. You click on join to join that we have already joined. Then you go back. So the next thing to do right now is to follow them on S. Tap on it. Follow them on S. Then you click on follow right away. I'm following them now. Let's go back. So I'm following them on the bot channel. Now let's explore the app. If you click on the team, this is your team. You can as well copy your referral code and invite your friends. Then if you click on this shovel, okay, this is the home page. Now if you click on this swap, like I said earlier, I said that 1 byte is equal to 0.78 USDT and you can swap it immediately. Why don't you join this Byte? Byte is going to do well. Do not miss it. Join now that the project is still new and accumulate your points. And not just joining, make sure you are consistent. If you are consistent before the listing might happen even next year. It might be their listing might be Q2, which is next year. So take it serious. Now, if you click on this arrow, okay, this is your rank. This is where you find your rank. If you click on this top line at the left hand, okay, this is your menu where you see your mining, your referral, your swap, your rank, your support, and the white paper. You can click on the white paper and read more about it. So this is the white paper. You scroll down. The alpha phase 1, okay. The testnet phase is phase 2. This phase started on March 28. So the testnet phase 2 started March 28. This is the swap, okay. Let's read more. So at your own leisure time, you can read it. Like I said, look at what they said. The mainnet, which is phase 3, the mainnet will begin depending on the maturity of the testnet network ecosystem and the progress of this Byte blockchain. The launch of Byte blockchain mainnet probably will happen in Q2, which is 2026. So we still have a long way to go. I said it without even knowing. So make sure you join and be consistent. Before that 2026, you have enough Byte token. So that is it for this video. If you find value in this video, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. And also join my Twitter handle for more updates. Thank you, guys.